This Power Supply Board RSAG7.820.7748/ROH is a dependable replacement option for restoring power to compatible Hisense televisions that suddenly stop turning on. Its design closely matches the original factory board, which helps ensure stable voltage delivery and reduces the risk of flickering or random shutdowns over time. The board is engineered specifically for models that use the 222177 part number, so owners who verify that code can expect a straightforward plug-in installation. Build quality feels solid for a replacement board, with clean soldering and secure connectors that seat firmly without feeling loose or fragile. For do-it-yourself repairs, this board can be an effective way to extend the life of a television instead of replacing the entire set, especially when the old board has clearly failed. The seller also provides guidance for troubleshooting and compatibility questions, which is valuable for buyers who are not fully confident in diagnosing power-related television issues.